Good morning. It's time to return back to work after the Thanksgiving holiday. It was a wonderful day on Thanksgiving Day, and I had a wonderful time with my family in Orlando. So now it's time for us to focus on these next 3 weeks of school and then the Christmas holiday. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on. All those things that are good and right in my life. I could look at this gray in my hair and say, oh my goodness, the gray. Today, that's not my focus. My focus is on all that's good and right in my life. I'm going to think on those things that are good. I'm going to think on those things that are of a good report. I'm going to think of all those things that make me happy. And if there's something that's a challenge in my life, it doesn't belong to me. It belongs to God. Therefore, I have only good thoughts today. And I ask that you be with me today. And we're going to agree that everything is good. And everything is right. And even if it's not good, and even if it's not right, it's going to work out for our good. That's what our focus is today. So I'm even running a little bit late this morning according to my schedule, because my alarm has gone off. And when my alarm goes off, that means I have 10 minutes to leave for work. I don't set an alarm to wake up. And apparently I was extremely tired from my vacation time. Not tired enough to go to bed on time last night, but a little bit tired because I didn't wake up like before 6 this morning. And that's what I usually do. But we are going to make it today. Find myself rushing a little bit to take these out of my hair. Not gonna worry about it. I've done my morning devotion and I'm feeling good. The Royal Goodwins in their day 1 Vlogmas asked me to read Luke, the 1st chapter. That was not my part of my devotion this morning, but it will be a part of my reading today. Again, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers, because I see that I have gained another subscriber since doing day 1. And this is going to be day 2 of Vlogmas. And I want to say thank you for joining in. I really appreciate your support. I am not going to spray anything on my hair today because I will not focus on the gray. Remember that? I will focus on the beauty within. There was a little break in my video. My alarm went off and my alarm started rather. And then my camera stopped. And I'm going to take this video right on to the end right now. Which means my last 10 minutes has expired. And it's really time for me to walk out the door. And so, that's what I'm going to do. Because my hair is done. I'm ready to go. You have a wonderful day. If I have a chance, I will insert some videos or pictures from my holiday season that just passed. And a picture of me and my husband near a Christmas tree, letting you know that we are on our way to Christmas. And you have a wonderful day. I really appreciate you. Thank you.